Guys, today we are making a Durga Puja craft, which is a bow and an arrow. Our Devi Durga has a bow and arrow in one of her hands, and all you need to do to make that craft is these wooden sticks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. You need 6 to 7 wooden sticks, and you need around 4 small sticks. So you need big sticks and you need small sticks, and you need some really fancy looking sellotapes. So let's get started. All you need to do is take 2 of them together and tape them really well. So I'm just using normal green tape, and then I'm going to decorate it with another tape. So this end is taped. Now we're going to tape the other end. Tape the other end. Once you have taped both the ends, this side and this side, we are then going to put 2 sticks. So these are the 2 sticks, and I'm going to take this one stick, place it here, and take the other stick and place it here. The reason for doing this is because you want your 2 sticks to fit together. So this, and we're going to use a tape to glue it again. So guys, I'm going to show you a close-up of how both the sticks look like. So this is how both the sticks look like. I have glued both my sticks together. I have taped both the sticks together, and right here at the middle of this stick there is one more toothpick and the other toothpick. Now I'm going to take both these ends and place it like this. So take both the ends, the sharp ends, and place it here like that. Bow is ready and it's bendy, so it bends. I'm going to now put a string. So now I'm going to take a string. You can take absolutely any string that is there at your home and knot it. So you make one knot and you place the knot right between your stick. So this is your stick, place the knot here and you tie it really well. Alternatively, you can also take it around and then tape it together to keep it secured. So what you need to do, this is your arrow. You need to pull it a little bit so that it's in the form of an arrow, and then here you put the thread inside and you just make it just tight. So secure it really well, otherwise it's gonna snap. And you just knot up your dhanush, and I'm just going to cut off the loose end now with a scissor. I'm just going to cut off this loose end here, and to make sure it's fully secured, I'm going to put another little tape that I have, a little fancy one, all over it. So I'm just going to take this and now decorate my bow a little well. Now we need to use these skewers and make our arrow. We are going to make an arrow just like this. To make an arrow like this, to make our arrow, we need a stick. We are first going to cut the foam paper in shape of an arrow. So I have 2 small triangles that look like an arrow and fit perfectly well. So these are the small glittery triangles. We had a lot of feather at home, so I'm using one of these feathers and putting it on top with the tape. This craft can be done very easily by the children as well.